Hey guys, so today I have the August Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide. I'll put all the options that I know about down below in the description in case anyone wants to go and check them out. I am losing my voice a little bit, so if I sound really quiet and like husky, that is why, so please ignore that. I haven't opened this yet. I don't know what the theme is, anything like that. All I know is that it's the August box, so we are going to open it together. So we have our little booklet right on the top, and the theme this month is Turn Around Magic. Not really sure what that means, honestly, because I don't practice or anything, but Turn Around Magic. And it seems to be a black and white kind of theme. Now, if you usually watch my videos, you'll know that the last two boxes have been quite empty. This one, honestly, is kind of feeling a little similar. It doesn't look like it's got loads of things, and it is quite light, so I'm not sure, but I guess we will go through it and see. This is just a little booklet for anyone that hasn't seen it before of all the items in the box. It like tells you about them and stuff like that. So that is our theme in our little booklet. Then right on the top we have our art print for the month, and this one is just a little mini hourglass kind of design. It's very detailed, not like a cartoony one, it's like a realistic sort of drawn one. And on the back now they do this thing where they do the monthly manifestations. In case you don't want to use it as an art print, you can use this instead. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So that's our little print. Then we have our spell kit. So I'm pretty sure it was last month that we were missing like a spell kit in it. We didn't get one. So this month we have a good luck charm bag kit. It says it contains all you need to turn your luck around and attract good fortune. So that's what it means by turn around magic, I guess. So I will open this and show you what is in here. So we do have some little instructions. I'll hold those up in a second in case anyone wants to pause and read it. We have 3 little bags. So in these bags we have chamomile, dried orange peel and strawberry leaf. We have a little silky like sagey green kind of bag. And we also have this little black pouch that's got like a little arrow sort of charm in it. So that is the things that come in the good luck charm bag. And then like I said, in case anyone wants to pause and read, I will just hold this up if it would focus. So that was everything in the good luck charm bag kit. Then next we have our little enamel pin for the month, and this one is giving me Beauty and the Beast. It's like a little hand mirror. It's only got one pin on the back. And it's got like, I don't know if you can really tell in the camera, but it has like a holographic glitter inlay kind of thing in this part where the mirror is. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is very rainbow sparkly in person anyway. So that's pretty cute. A very random one, I would say, but a very cute little one though. Wow, okay. Next we have our stone, gemstone or crystal for the month, and this one is a Labradorite. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So, oh, it's very pretty. I've definitely had a few of these before. So it's kind of like a mossy green kind of colour, and then it shines like a really bright flashy blue. Very, very pretty. And for this one it says it's a stone of transition. It can keep you grounded in times of change and give you the strength and energy to push through when times are tough. It has powerful protective energy which can shield you from negativity. So that is our little stone this month. Then next we have a little box, and this one says Turnaround Candle, 100% pure soy wax, sunflower petals and carnation petals. So it says use this magical candle for any spell or ritual to turn a situation around and bend it in your favour. Let's have a see what this looks like. If I could open it, that would be lovely. Okay, so it's just a little like white sort of small pillar candle, and then it does have, I'm not sure if it's showing up great, but it does have like the petals actually sort of like melted into there, set into there kind of thing. So just a little candle. Smells a little bit vanilla-y, I would say, a little bit like ice cream, it's giving me that. So that is our turnaround candle. And then we have another little box which says it's a turnaround spell box. So it says use this box to turn around the negative. Place inside the box a note, charm or amulet that represents what you'd like to have turned around. Here are a few examples. To turn around your finances, you might add some coins or banknotes to the box. If you are being gossiped about, note that down and add it to the box. If you've had no luck finding a job, place items that correspond with your job's desire into the box. After you place them in the box, turn the lid of the box and set your intentions. Twist the lid saying turn around. Each day until the desires are met, turn the lid and state turn around. Okay, fair enough. So let's have a look what this looks like. Oh, it's a very weird little box. So this is what it looks like. It is wooden. It says as I will it, so mote it be on both sides with a little pentacle. And it looks like this. So this is kind of like what nesting dolls kind of look and feel like. They have this same kind of texture and design, I guess. Yeah, so you would just put your stuff in there and then turn it like that. Pretty cute, pretty weird and unusual, I suppose. Not really something that you would probably already have, I guess. So that is our little box. And then we only have two things left. So again, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I just think these past few boxes have been very, very empty personally. I'm not sure if it's because one of the ones before it was so huge or whether a huge one is coming, but usually there's not kind of like a couple in a row that are empty like this. Would I have paid £29 so far for a white candle and a wooden box and a stone and a pin? No. So unless these next few items are like amazing, I just don't know how I feel about it at the minute. But anyway, next we have a pendant. So it says this is a turnaround pendant. If you find yourself thinking a negative thought or making a bad decision, take a second to hold your pendant, take a deep breath, turn the pendant and think turn around. A quick spell to encourage self-awareness and turn around yourself for the better. So this is stainless steel apparently. And this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a little circle, I guess you could say. And then on one side it has a little pentacle with like some filigree and stuff around it. And then the middle spins, so the whole thing doesn't just spin, but this center kind of spins around like this. And on the other side it has a little crescent moon kind of design. I've seen these before, like anxiety necklaces, when people are like fidgety and stuff. They have these little spinny rings and necklaces and stuff, so pretty cute. Not really my personal kind of thing that I would wear, but it's cute though. So that is our little pendant. And then last but not least, before the scroll and some incense, is a reflection spell mirror. So it says, if you feel surrounded by negative energy, misfortune, or feel you have been hexed, enchant this mirror to reflect the energy right back where it came from. Take the mirror and hold it in your hands, focusing your intent on turning the mirror into a reflective charm. State the following: evil which has come to me, turn back from the course, I reflect your energy and return thee to thy source. That probably rhymed and I just said it really fast. Place the mirror somewhere in your home to keep negativity at bay. Repeat this to recharge as necessary. Okay, so oh, this is very cute. I'm hoping it does have a little cover on the mirror because it's very scratched. Yeah, it must do. So this is kind of like a little photo frame sort of design. I guess that's why they say place it in your home. It has this kind of like black floral filigree kind of embossed frame around it, and then the center oval is a mirror, as you can see. I'm not going to blind you all with the lights, but yeah, it does have a lot of scratches on it, but I think that's just a protective film that you would take off. So yeah, that is pretty cute, I guess. A little mini mirror. You could also just put that on like your desk at work and stuff if you wanted a little mirror that you needed throughout the day. So that is the mirror. And then as always we have some little incense. These ones are bergamot and chamomile. It says, light the incense and affirm, misfortune in this smoke be drowned, all injustice turn around. See if I can smell them. I can smell them a teeny tiny bit, very, very light ones it feels like with those though. Some are very overpowering, I'm not really getting that from these, so that's our little incense. And then we have our scroll, so I will hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is a simple turnaround candle spell, apparently. And yeah, that was everything in the August Turnaround Magic Witch Casket. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had our little mini art print, the Good Luck Charm Bag Spell Kit, the little sparkly mirror enamel pin, the Labradorite stone, the little spinning pendant, the reflection spell mirror, the turnaround spell box, the turnaround candle, the incense sticks, and the scroll. So all of these in the August Turnaround Magic box. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I guess looking at it like this, it does seem more and bigger than I kind of thought earlier. I guess there's been bigger boxes. I don't know, it just feels a little empty still. I'm not really sure why. I feel like maybe because in past boxes we've had like one big item and then some smaller ones, and it feels like these are all kind of smaller ones recently. But maybe that's just me. Maybe it's because I've had it for like years and years now. I'm kind of getting a bit, not bored of it, but a bit kind of used to it. So you'll have to let me know what you think down below in the comments. Have these past couple of boxes been quite empty, or am I maybe just being a little harsh now? I'm not sure. But yeah, I will put the information down below for them anyway in case you want to go and check them out. I do still love it as always. I love their customer service. I love the things that we do get. I just feel like maybe the last couple have been a little smaller than usual, that's all. But yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.